Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan JUKE. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To navigate through instrument cluster display, we are going to use arrows buttons and back button and OK button. Use left and right arrow to change menu on the instrument cluster, and use bottom and top arrow to navigate through current menu. Press OK button to find and reset info on the instrument cluster. And what we can find here. Firstly, we can see home. In home we can find digital speedometer, average speed, and average speed too. Next we can find fuel economy and average fuel economy too. Then we can find trip info, radio menu, and driver assistance menu. Next we can find car warnings and settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.